Today, we provide a concise overview of the installation process for the Growatt all-in-one off-grid system. Growatt all-in-one system feature H series, including the same 6000 ES plus H inverter model, the ABM 5.5 liters A1H lithium battery model, and the ABM battery base. Notably, this system allows for the flexible combination of inverters and batteries. Note, the ABM battery base is engineered to withstand a maximum load of 400 kilograms. Therefore, we strongly recommend adhering to the installation combinations mentioned above. The central components of the whole energy storage system include the SIM 6000 ES plus H off-grid inverter and the ABM 5.5 liters A1H battery. The Wi-Fi F and GPRS-F monitoring devices can be utilized with the ES Plus inverter. Please inspect the unit to ensure that nothing inside the package is damaged. Additionally, please confirm the receipt of the items listed below. The inverter display screen panel includes the inverter wiring ports panel include the battery display screen panel include the battery wiring ports panel include. Note: due to the weight of the batteries, kindly adhere to the instructions depicted in the figure for carrying and installing them. Before commencing the installation, it is essential to gather the necessary tools. During the installation of the energy storage system, it is imperative to leave ample space around it to ensure proper installation and facilitate effective heat dissipation. Avoid mounting the inverter on flammable construction materials. Begin by positioning the battery base in the designated location, ensuring the installation site is level, the floor is sturdy, and the device is at least 10 centimeters away from the wall. If multiple batteries are involved, ensure the correct placement of the first battery before proceeding to position the others. Ensure the installation of fixing plates between the modules if you intend to relocate the entire system. Use a 10 AWG grounding wire to connect each battery module and inverter. Secure the power connection between the inverter and the battery, as well as for parallel connections between batteries, using M6 screws and copper connectors. Note: the copper connector has a current capacity of 250 amperes. If 3 inverters are connected in parallel, a set of 2 AWG power wires, each no more than 530 millimeters in length, must be used to establish the connection from inverter 1 to battery 3. Establish a connection by linking the PCS port on the battery module address 01 to the BMS port on the inverter. Additionally, connect the link-in port to the link-out port of another battery module and repeat this process as needed. The installation method for the battery short circuit cap varies according on the power of the inverter system. Please adhere strictly to the instructions provided in the user manual when installing the battery shorting cap. Note: ensure that the address assigned to each battery module is distinct. Verify that all cables are correctly connected. Press the power on button on any battery module for more than 1 second and observe the subsequent illumination of the run ALM and SOC lights. Wait about 5 seconds, then press the inverter on and off button to start the energy storage system. Prior to shutting down the energy storage system, disconnect the load and subsequently press the inverter on and off button to power down the inverter. Conclude the process by pressing and holding the power on and off button on any battery module for 3 seconds to power off the battery. For detailed information regarding parameters and working mode settings, refer to the inverter user manual. Note: if the inverter fails to enter normal mode successfully, particularly if the LED is red, please reach out to Growatt service engineers for assistance.